So students, coming to question number 2. The front compound wall of a house is decorated by wooden spheres of diameter 21 cm placed on small supports as shown in figure. You can see these wooden spheres and these are placed on cylindrical support as in this figure. 8 such spheres are used for this purpose and are to be painted silver. So here in the figure 2 spheres are seen, but actually there are 8 spheres and they are to be painted silver. Now each support is a cylinder of radius 1.5 cm and height 7 cm. Students, the diameter of the sphere is given 21 cm. The radius of the cylinder is given 1.5 cm and height of the cylinder is given 7 cm. And these cylinders are to be painted black. You have to find the cost of the paint required if silver paint costs 25 paise per centimeter square and black paint costs 5 paise per centimeter square. To find out the cost of silver paint, so first of all we will find out the area to be painted silver. Now area to be painted silver will be this area of the sphere minus the area of this circle, that is of the support. Diameter of sphere is given 21 centimeter. The radius of the sphere will be 21 upon 2 centimeter. And the radius small r is given 1.5 centimeter and the height of the cylinder is given 7 centimeter. Okay. Now area to be painted silver, that is equal to area of sphere minus area of circle on which sphere and as 8 spheres are there, 8 into area of a pi r square minus area of circle is pi r square. What is common? Pi. 8 pi, here 4r square minus r square, which is equal to 8 into 22 upon 7 into 4 into 21 upon 2 square minus 1.5 square. Okay, this is equal to 8 into 22 upon 7 into 4 into 441 upon 4 minus 2.25. 4 cancels 4. So this will be 8 into 22 upon 7 into 441 minus 2.25 is 438.75. Cost of painting silver at the rate of 25 paise per centimeter square. So this will be equal to total area, that is 8 into 22 upon 7 into 438.75 into 25 upon 100. 25 4s are 100, 4 2s are 8. So this is equal to 19305 upon 7, which is equal to rupees 25 which is equal to rupees 2757.86. Okay, this is to find out the cost of black paint. We'll first find out the area to be painted black. Area to be painted black means curved surface area of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is given 1.5, height is given 7. Point removed, 7 cancel 7, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15. That is 22 into 3, which is equal to 66 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area of one cylinder. So how many cylinders are there? 8 cylinders. So this is equal to 8 into 66, which is equal to 8 6 are 48, 50. The cost of black paint at the rate of 5 paise per centimeter square. This will be equal to 528 into 5 upon 100. That is 264 upon 10, which is equal to rupees 26.40. Okay. Now total expense or the total cost of painting, that is equal to rupees 2757.86 plus rupees 26.40, which is equal to rupees 2784.26 approximately. This is the answer. The total expense of painting silver and black is rupees 2784.26.